Hey everybody, it's Mark Middle from System 1 Filtration. Today we're going to go over some applications. This happens to be the 209-561B, and I'm going to show you where everything goes, threaded adapter wise, threaded insert wise, and how to take the thing apart and service it up. So first off, I want to show you, this is actually the threaded end cap of the housing, and you would never see this O-ring and probably never know that there's an O-ring right here. If we look a little closer, you can see it on the side here. So that is what the element goes by, and it will slide on and seals it internally. And the same thing with this bypass plate, we side seal it also. So when you shove that up there, push it in, it's a sealed assembly. So to service your filter, what you're actually going to do is take the filter cap off, pull the element out. You have to wiggle it back and forth. It's supposed to come out. There's the bypass plate. So when we get ready to service this, we're going to take this over to the solvent tank for brake clean, carb clean, anything like that. Even soap and water will clean it up. We want you to brush the outside of it, and here's what we want you to do. We want you to use compressed air, and we want to blow this element from the inside out to blow the particulate off of it, not blowing it in this way. That will embed it into the wires. So also on the filters itself, it's a universal style fit, and we offer 2 threaded inserts on this particular style filter, and it has dual O-ring capabilities at the top side. So the outer O-ring is actually for the Chevrolet applications, and this inner O-ring would be for the Ford and Chrysler. On the Chevrolets, you do not use the inner O-ring on this because it'll just float in the oil, as it doesn't mate to anything. So with the threaded adapters, we can make it a Chevrolet style thread, or we can make it a Ford and Chrysler style thread. And you want to screw this into the center of the housing first and make sure it screws all the way down. And then we would like you to come back, take it back out, and put a strip of blue Loctite at 12 o'clock and a strip at 6 o'clock. Screw it in with your fingers. Should go flush or a hair below flush. Now this one will make it a Chevrolet style. So we'll use the outer O-ring here, and you'll put all the assembly back together, fill it up with oil, and you can spin it right up to the block. Same thing with the Ford and Chrysler. You won't use the Chevrolet O-ring on the outside. You'll actually use the inner one. And with this 3/4 16, which is the thicker of the two, you'll screw this into the center of the housing. Same thing, strip of blue Loctite on both sides, screw it in there, and now it becomes a Ford or Chrysler style filter. If you've got any questions, give us a call. Be glad to help you.